Here we are with another TEMU art towel. Hello and welcome to this channel. I'm Kelly and I'm a mixed media artist from Belgium. So let's get on with this unboxing. I got just a small art towel, so just a few things. This is one of those cups that you can, it's pretty damaged, but I hope the inside is still okay. Yeah. See how this works. Oh, wow. Okay, so it has some holes here for brushes. You can put some up here. There's some lines on the inside so you can clean your brushes better. It seems to be okay. Yeah. And it goes back in pretty good. So yeah, first impression is already good. What else do we have here? Oh yeah. I ordered these because I get a lot of pain in my wrists, especially in winter. So I ordered 2 of these. And they have these thumb holes. Yeah. They fit perfect. Yeah. So another good buy. And I want to use these when I'm working on art. So this is some watercolor. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna it will come out completely wrong if I do that. So these are the colors that are in there. Let's see. They're the ocean color, glittery watercolor, 24 colors. Okay. They have already put in a swatch card. No names on it, just the numbers. Oh, they go off. And at first glance, not all of them are shimmery. But we'll have to see when we swatch these. I'm not gonna do that in this video. Okay, there's nothing on the pens, so I hope they're in the correct order. But it's a beautiful packaging because you can see everything really well. So that's the ocean colors. I also have something that is not for art supplies, but oh, see? That one is, I'm gonna have to let them know about this because, yeah. These are deck boxes for 80 cards, and we are going to use these for one of our board games, the Unmatched game. So, yeah. But we were missing a few, so I had to order a few extras. Okay, this is another watercolor set, same company. Beautiful colors. And I've seen others test these, so yeah. This is the portrait colors. Solid watercolor, 24 colors again. Another swatch card with just numbers on it. And these are the colors. They look really beautiful. But again, I thought they were, yeah. Ooh, the watercolor is coming out. Yeah. I'm gonna do another video where I swatch these, as I said before. So. Oh yeah. I accidentally ordered 2 of these. This is, if you hear my dog, he's in the next room. There was a pigeon on the roof and he was hearing it, so. Another one of these. It's the exact same as that one. A bit, yeah, it's a bit light, bit darker, yeah, pink than this one. Let's see if this one works as well as the other one does. Yeah. Again, exactly the same places for your brushes and the lines to clean your brushes a bit easily, more easily. And this is like a mat to put underneath, so you can, let's put it up here, your cup in here fits perfectly, and you have some mixing spaces here. You can add your brushes. So yeah, I actually got, oh, there are measurements on the side here. Huh. Okay, but I think it's in inches because they're pretty big to be centimeters. I ordered this to take with me because where I do my volunteer work, they have like these art classes and all, and I'm taking some of them. So yeah, this is the second one. It's a bit different than the other one. I don't think they were the same, well, not at least exactly when it comes to the color. Let me see. Yeah, there's a bit of a difference. This is a little lighter than this one. But yeah, same cup again. And then this one had the water on the right side, which is actually what I wanted. The same measurements here on the bottom, but not a place to keep your brushes. So let me put them together. See? This is the difference between them. So yeah, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna give one to my sister. So okay, now she knows. I should not have said that. But anyway, not sure which one I'm going to keep. Yeah. And I'm gonna take one with me when I'm... Oh, that's not good. Okay, it's the bottom, but that shouldn't be there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. Anyway, that's that. And I got these. Yeah. There's 2. And then a bunch of spare tips here. This is for use with soft pastels. I've never used these before, so I'm curious on how they will work. I'm gonna take the bigger one. I'm not going to take out the spare ones, but let's see. Yeah, they're pretty sturdy. Yeah. I think they will be alright. They don't bend too much, so yeah. Oh yeah. This is golden ink, or gold ink. It's 120 grams. Yeah, it's very liquid. Of course, it's ink. And I will be doing a video on this one as well, where I will be testing it. I think that's it. Yeah. And this is the same as the gray ones. Yeah, they're good. I didn't want them to come too white here, because when you're drawing, yeah, that could be in the way, but this is perfect. It's like the same as those drawing gloves that you have. So it feels kind of the same, this fabric. So we got this gray and black. Of course, I put the deck boxes back in, even though they are not art supplies. The golden ink, 2 sets of watercolor, 3 cups. I only needed 2, but this blenders for I forgot, soft pastels. And 2 of these mats to protect your table. So that's it for this art towel from TEMU. And I will do another video for the 2 watercolors, one for the ink and this one. And I will probably have this underneath. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these in my videos or not. Probably not. I bought them to take with me. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you and bye.